What's up, guys? It's John Creeper. So today is going to be the 0.13.0 Alpha Build G. So let's go and go to this village. I'm gonna hit this village so fast. Hello, village. What the heck? Oh, guys, one more thing. I have new I have a new strip. I mean new TNT that you can get up. So just follow me. Gonna put it like this. Oh, one more thing. We need a bucket of water. Nag-record pa gani ko. Okay, guys. So, wait for it because I'm waiting. It's so very lag, very lag. Okay, guys. So, what you have needed is redstone, TNT, and more, and button, and water. Then I quit, so sorry I will quit because it's night. It's my life, right? If you hate my video, click on the description below. If you hate my video, type a message to the messenger. If you don't have MCPE like this, I will record it to you. So once you gonna need this, you go to the app tab. Okay. Oh guys, sorry, I mistaken the video. So guys, if you're gonna like this video, press like this, so it will gonna fly you up like this. So there you have it, guys. Just subscribe for more videos.